Acoat Selected member gives me a very competitive advantage in the collision repair business. We get to really dive into our businesses and look at them from a lot of different angles. And then we also get to share our business with other operators, which gives a really great different perspective a lot of times.
When we started going to Acoat Select meetings, it really opened our eyes to the conversation about more than just paint.
The support from my peers and the social networks that's developed through the group, as well as my access and relationship with the AkzoNobel people in the room, has helped my personal growth in the industry, as well as our shops. Because I come to these meetings, I can pick up tidbits from the conversation, I can take back an action plan, I can take back an idea from a conversation that we had, and then I can go ahead and implement it.
Sometimes we get very narrow focused on the things that we're doing, and so having some colleagues and like-minded operators share their perspective from an outsider's view, it really can open up your lens. And so I'm very fortunate enough being part of the Acoat Selected programs to have those insights and build those relationships, which has really allowed me to take my business to the next level.
I've been using Carbide for a few years now. It's made it visual for all of us, right? Like, I'm very big on visual indicators. If you can see it, you can measure it. If you can measure it, you can manage it. And if you can manage it, that's how you improve. So implementing Carbide has allowed me I can be anywhere and see what's going on in the shops.
It allows us to see our WIP, our inventory in real time, anywhere in the world, and see exactly what's happening in our collision centers today.
Utilizing Carbide for its max potential for being a production management system is huge. There's so much information you get from behind the scenes that we can really deep dive into to really continue to push for great things.
It's one of those products that once you've had it, you can't imagine life without it. I could never imagine running a collision center today without Carbide.